evil. Well, that's what this is. That's what this is called. It's called the Lesser Evil Ultimate Snacking Assortment. And we've got a brand new one that you're seeing today, and the other two are favorites. So this is a great time to jump in. And these are not tiny bags. These are big bags. And this gentleman, Corey Benson, he's been, hello,
Good
Corey.
afternoon.
Good
So nice to be here.
He's been a professional baker since 2014. He's been in the food industry for 20 years.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, like you say, your whole life, pretty much, your whole adult life. But the fact is that he is bringing us things that are organic, first of all, non-GMO, all natural, gluten-free, and kosher. And that's why you can give us these snacks that really are a smarter choice, Corey.
Absolutely. That's what Lesser Evil is founded to do, really provide better for you snacking, right? Without compromising on any flavor. And so today is really exciting. Like you said, we have a brand new product today, which is our Munions. So we'll kind of get into that. But this is like the perfect ultimate snack pack, right? You've got some popcorn, you've got some Munions, which we'll talk a little bit about, and then we've got our Spaceballs.
And you're going to get 2 bags of each, okay? So you're going to get 2 bags of each of these snacks. Let's start with the brand new one called Munions.
Yes.
All right, now listen, there's something else in the marketplace that's somewhat similar, but a lot more fat in it than this one.
Yeah, correct. So this is from our puff snack line, right? And QVC buyers might be familiar with the Spaceballs. So this is also using our organic puffed corn. And so we're kind of doing the same thing here. We're taking the organic puffed corn and we're creating this wonderful shape that you see here, which, like you said, is very similar to an onion flavored ring that might be in the market today.
Yes.
And then we coat it in our organic avocado oil. And then we season this one is with our intergalactic onion seasoning. So it's got that great onion spice. It's a little sweet, right? And then, of course, just absolutely fantastic flavor. Really good for you ingredients. Organic corn, organic avocado oil, and all natural onion seasoning.
So you're getting 2 bags of the Munions, and man, those are good. That is so, so good. Then, as I said before, you're getting 2 bags of each. Here's the next 2 bags. The next 2 bags are the cheese balls. So watch this.
Yeah, so we'll talk a little bit about these. So these are also made with our organic puffed corn in our super secret process. We coat these with the silky avocado oil that you're also getting on the Munions. And then this is a real dairy cheese flavor. So you notice it's not like bright orange like the tubs you might see at the store, because this one has no artificial dyes or colors, but you're really getting that great cheese flavor. You're getting a really nice crunch. We think we've kind of perfected the crunch. You don't get kind of that gummy aftertaste you get with the other ones. These ones have a really great crunch. They're super silky, and they're just absolutely delicious with that nice kind of cheesy, all cheddar flavor.
Cheese.
Yep, it's a natural cheddar
So you're
flavor.
getting 2 bags of the Munions, you're getting 2 bags of the cheese balls, and you're going to get 2 bags of the golden popcorn. Now, why did you call them golden popcorn?
Well, this is actually, we call this our Himalayan gold because so it's our answer to movie theater popcorn, right? So everybody loves movie theater popcorn. Now, all of our snacks are really low in calorie. Every single one of these products is 130 calories or less per serving.
Wow.
So we didn't really delve into it. You get about 40 of the Spaceballs per serving, 16 of the Munions.
40 of the cheese balls
40 of these per serving, 130 calories, right? So that's 40 of these. That's a really good, healthy, satisfying snack.
Yeah. And how about with the fun?
You get about 16 of these.
Munions.
Obviously, the size is a little different on these. So you get about 16 to 20 of those. Again, these are about 120 calories.
Yeah.
And then kind of our popcorn, which we're known for, right? Lesser Evil is a popcorn company.
Yeah.
Our Himalayan Gold is, like I said, our answer to movie theater, but much better for you. It's air pop, so it's only 130 calories for 3 cups. This has 3 cups. So you're getting a huge serving, 130 calories, very satisfying.
Yeah.
We coat it with our organic coconut oil, and then we just sprinkle a little bit of Himalayan salt, and we use a non-dairy butter powder. Again, all natural and organic. So you're getting this amazing movie theater popcorn that's super low in calorie, but zero compromise on taste.
And did you use Himalayan salt too?
We do use Himalayan salt. Yep.
Okay.
All of our products use Himalayan salt.
We just told you what all you're going to get and told you about them. Let me remind you, if you just tuned in, if you've never had this company, Lesser Evil Snacks, I was impressed. I'd never had theirs till today. I was tasting them before the show. That's how good they were. and you're going to get 2 bags, and these are big bags, of that cheese balls. And then you're also going to get 2 bags of that Himalayan salt golden popcorn. You're going to get 2 bags of that Munions. That's the combo. Or you can do all 6 bags in the cheese balls, all 6 bags in the popcorn, or all 6 bags in the Munions. However you want to do it. Either way, the price tag is $29. And I think we've got some video to show of the popcorn. Let's take a look at that, because I wanted you to hear about all of these. And then this is the popcorn.
Right, so we start with our organic popcorn kernel sourced right here from the Midwest. We pop it just perfectly so you get that nice tender mouthfeel, great expansion on the kernel. We season it with our organic coconut oil. You can see here it's kind of flowing through the process into our bagging unit. And then these bags are about 4.6 ounces. So you can see here, here's where we're packaging, and then this is our happy snackers that are putting the bags in the box. So, you know, we're really here to just bring love and joy, happy snacking. You want to feel good about what you eat. It needs
Corey,
to be good.
Can I tell you, so, you know, what I love about how you started was a better snack. I like those kind of onion crunchies.
Right.
I know they're not good for me.
But these are good for you. That's the
Can I
difference.
try this?
Absolutely.
Because these are new today?
So good.
This product is just fantastic.
All right,
like you're going to eat the whole bag when
And
you
like
open
you
the whole
said,
bag. It's
you've
so
been
good.
using avocado oil and coconut oil, and those are the better oils, you know?
This is a better.
Right.
And
Really
you get the
good for you.
crunch.
Yeah.
The crunch is part of the
This is
experience.
such a great offering today. I mean, you can't lose with, regardless of what you buy, whether it's all 6, 6, and 6. But talk about outfitting your pantry with the perfect snack attack here, right? You've got some cheese space balls, you've got a little bit of sweet onion, and then you've got the popcorn for movie night. I mean, it really doesn't get any better than that.
I
That's
tell you,
good. Thank you.
Here's the thing. If you want all 6 of the Munions, which are brand new today, we have 7 dozen remaining. Most of you getting the combo. If you want all 6 of the popcorn, we have 450 left to go around. If you want all 6 in the cheese balls, we have how much? 300 left. And if you want the combo, where it's 2 bags of each, we've got 900. Here's what I want to just say is this. Listen to this. Organic, non-GMO, all natural, gluten-free, kosher, 130 calories per serving on any one of them. And the servings are big.
Huge.
And the whole thing is, when you want a snack, it's a snack without the guilt. That's the way I feel, because I am going to have the snacks, you know, one way or the other.
And
You
it's
might
fun.
as well have it better. And then also get your kids loving these too. And they come in the big bags that the kids love as well. Corey Benson, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us
Those
today.
are
We're
delicious.
very excited to bring these to you
Leave
today.
these here. We'll finish them up later.
I think so.
okay?
There won't be any.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you very much.
I'll be back with something from Dave.